Welcome to our collection of eco-friendly facts. Discover quick, informative tips about sustainable living and eco-friendly products. Let's embark on a journey to make our planet greener and healthier for future generations. Solar water heaters. Solar water heaters can reduce water heating bills by 50 to 80%. Bike commuting. Riding a bike instead of driving for short trips reduces carbon emissions and promotes physical health. Digital documents. Opting for digital documents instead of paper reduces paper waste and the energy used in printing. Thank you for joining us on this journey to a more sustainable lifestyle. Every small change counts towards making a big difference. Let's continue to take steps together to protect and preserve our planet for future generations.